There are moments in life when something inside you goes quiet. You can't quite name it, but you feel it. A heaviness, a hollow place. Something was lost, but you don't remember exactly when or how. Maybe it was your light, your hope, your strength, your softness. Or maybe it was all of it at once. This story begins in the quiet woods where a woman who wandered alone. She had traveled far, not with her feet, but with her soul, carrying grief that had no words, carrying dreams she had stopped feeding, carrying silence that echoed inside her louder than any sound. She was kind, she was giving, but she had forgotten how to receive. That day, the sky was low with soft clouds, and she sat by an old tree. She closed her eyes, not to rest, but to listen. To finally listen to the parts of her that had been waiting for years. A voice rose within. You did not lose yourself, it whispered. You simply buried the parts of you that were too precious to break. She felt tears fall, not from sadness, but from remembering. Now I invite you to close your eyes and step into this forest with her. Let the world fall away. Breathe in deeply through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Again. Feel your body soften. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw unclench. Let your belly expand freely with breath. You're safe. You're allowed to feel. As you walk deeper into the forest, the light begins to shift. You notice colors more vividly, moss glowing, green petals catching golden light, the sound of water nearby. She walks ahead of you and you follow quietly. You sense her peace now. She has found something, or perhaps returned to it. You arrive at a small pool of water, crystal clear. She gestures to it. This, she says softly, is where I remembered who I am. Take a moment now and look into the reflection of this water. What do you see? Look beyond the tiredness, beyond the wounds, beyond the masks you've worn for safety. There is still a spark. It never left. Place your hand on your heart now. Feel its rhythm. A quiet, powerful rhythm that never gave up on you. Say silently to yourself, I am returning to myself. I am worthy of my own love. I restore what I once buried. In the next few breaths, imagine a soft light rising from your chest. It spreads to your shoulders, down your arms, across your back. This light is not new. It is ancient. It is you. Feel it move through your spine, your legs, your fingertips. It touches every space that once felt empty. Now the current flows again. You look at her once more. She smiles, not as a teacher, but as someone who also forgot and remembered. She walks away into the woods, not because she is leaving, but because her role in your story is done. You walk back, step by step, lighter than you arrived. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers. Feel the ground beneath you. Breathe deeply once more. And whisper within, I have restored what was lost. I walk with my light again. And I carry peace in my every step. You may return to this place whenever you need. It is always here, within you. Welcome home.